Hello, welcome to this video on how to test the Kentec 6000 series. User default code is 42s. Enter gives you level 2 access. Scroll down to test zones. Hit across and you can select the zone you want using the up and down arrow. Let's go zone 1. You can then pick whether you want your sounders on or off during the test. I'm going to leave them off for now. And if you go across to manual call points, you can set the call points so if anyone triggers a call point during the test, it activates the fire as normal. If you want to include them in the test, change that to yes. Cross and hit enter. If you want to, you can see your test light's gone on the left hand side now. If you want to add more zones, you'd scroll up to the next zone. I'm just going to select zone 2 now. Hit across again, choose your sounders on or off. Cross to manual call points, whether you want to include them or not. And hit enter. Now this thing has come on, and this works on like a 15-minute timer. If you just exit the menu here, you can see that it's got 15 minutes remaining. That means that if you don't test the device within 15 minutes of the previous device, it will exit the test and go back to normal. The back will catch you out with the sounders. So if you go into disable and disable sounders, you can go across. You can choose timed, which lasts for 30 minutes, or untimed, which is until you turn them back on. This will stop once you're 15 minutes of the sounders going off and scaring everyone. I'm going to leave them sounders on for now because I'm only going to wait a quick second. Just put the key in the bottom, release that. The panels reset quicker than I expected. Just hit that again, leave it down this time. Let's reset again, just give it a second. There you go, just enter fire. Lasts for a few seconds, then clears again. And hit your flip up. Go back, and the test, there, the fire's now cleared. See it's there showing that there's 14 minutes remaining on test zone 2, because no device has been tested in zone 2, that call point was in zone 1. Going into your menu with your 42s. If you scroll down to test zones, pick zone, the first zone you tested. You can just wait for the, basically there's 30 minutes left and let it just time out. But again, if you go into zones, hit enter, not exit. Of course, go into the zone, clear the test, hit enter. And same again, go up to zone 2 and do it, and you can see it's gone off. If you don't forget to enable your sounders, thank you for watching, please like and subscribe.